So I've been driving this a little bit harder the past couple times I've driven it, and guys, this thing is retarded fast. Like, I don't think I've been putting it to its full potential lately, and I gotta say, man, with like really going in on it, this thing moves the fuck out. So definitely want to get a video done on this soon. It's just during the week it's really hard because you know it gets dark so fast. Like, it's already kind of too dark for the GoPro, just because like the lighting, like right now on my phone, is so beautiful because, well, you know, this Note 10, but on the GoPro it's like a lot darker, and then when you put it in the car it makes it that much worse. So definitely want to try to get some ride-alongs in. I had planned on trying to let my brothers and stuff ride it, like over Thanksgiving break. I was gonna drive it down, let them get in it, maybe even my parents, and just try to get some reactions, but just never made it down there on it. We did go a couple times, but most of the time I drove the CRV, or that once I drove the Civic. So yeah, definitely got to get something done on that. I know y'all are psyched to see that. So funny story about the trap. So the other day I went to start it and move it around, basically get it out of the front yard, and it wouldn't start. Battery was completely dead. So I grabbed a jump pack, got it fired up, did a little yard work while it was running, and then I was gonna drive it down the highway and just charge the battery up a little bit. And as soon as I was pulling out of the driveway, I literally like turned to come into the highway, and the axle broke on this side completely. So I just, luckily it's like a slight incline, so it coasted back into the yard. But yeah, she definitely needs those axles now, guys, which I'm gonna try to fit that into the budget. Hopefully next check. We'll see how things go though, because I really want to go ahead and get that Accord that we pulled the engine out of finished up, like get the engine for that and get that back on the road. So we'll see how it goes, but a set of axles is looking like about 130 bucks for this, brand new. So hopefully we can fit that in somewhere soon and go ahead and pick those up. Maybe, depending on how much I make off YouTube this month, maybe we can go ahead and get them. But I definitely miss driving this car. As you can tell, neither car is straight piped anymore. That's right, boys. None of our cars are straight pipe. Everything has a muffler. So the straight pipe stuff will be left in 2021, but I don't feel sad about it. I'm really loving the quieter sound, and especially with this F20B, man, you can really hear VTEC crossover. So yeah, I'm digging it. I'm not mad at all. right, so we have another milestone, guys. Trans is off. Now, I guess I could go ahead and strip this wire harness off since we're definitely gonna be using this on a new engine. So, unfortunately, after me taking this mount out and checking these mounts that came with the car, I don't know what these go to, but this is definitely not for this car. Now, it may be for a V6 or something, but look at how huge this fucking mount is. Like, I don't know. Oh, this may, you know what? This might be the automatic. It might be for an automatic, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know what the heck. That's a huge ass mount. And then it's got this weird looking mount here that's only got one bolt. So yeah, I don't know. But this is the rear mount, and neither one of these are even close to it. So we got, okay, hold up, what's this one? Oh, this is for the front. This is the front mount, right? Yeah, okay, and I think, so that one will work then. So we got one. Yeah, so we have one mount that works, the very front one. Let's see about this one. This one is long. I don't think it's the transmission one. Oh, but it could be. Oh, you know what? It might be because I forget on CGs, the transmission mount doesn't mount on the transmission. It mounts on the firewall. So here's the transmission mount. This mounts to the firewall on CGs, right? So it's pretty damn similar. These bolt holes look pretty similar, but this is the bracket that bolts to the transmission. This is even narrower than this one, and this one is already like, it already seems to have like, well, it looks pretty spot on there. I don't know how well y'all can see, but it's pretty damn spot on with this. But this one is definitely a lot narrower this way, so I don't think this is the right mount. I mean, I could just be wrong, but it's just definitely a lot skinnier. I don't think that one's gonna work. But this one appears to be the exact same. So we did score one mount. The rest of this big, huge stuff here, I don't know what that's for. And then also in the box was a freaking door handle. And hopefully it does not follow the other path of the mounts and it'll actually fit. But this door handle was already broke, so here's a fresh door handle for us to install. So hopefully that'll actually fit, unlike these mounts. But yeah, guys, I think this is pretty much where I'm gonna stop it in this video. We got the entire engine stripped. That wire harness came off a lot easier for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's just been a little while since I've done one, but it seemed like it came off really, really easy. Also, if we'll take a look down here, this thing had a really nasty rear main seal leak. Like, this thing is coated, boys. Dang. This whole setup was wet back here. So, definitely not a bad thing that we took this thing down and got it took apart. So, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I hope you guys are enjoying us working on this CG. I'm kind of like more chillax with this one. I'm doing a little bit here and there, making videos. I don't really care about what people think or stuff. I'm doing kind of like I used to do back in the day, because like lately I feel like I've been trying to do videos just to try to do videos that people would like, but I don't do crazy shit every day. Like sometimes I'm just chilling in the shop, trying to get stuff done, and I feel like this is better for me. Like I feel more happy vlogging when I'm just out here. I'm not pushing towards like a huge goal at once. I'm just out here. I'm gonna do a little bit here, a little bit there, record it, and edit this stuff and get it up for y'all. So if y'all could, man, like the video. That's all I ask. If 1,000, 1,500 people watch it, if we could just get everybody just to click the like button. I mean, we got like 3 people that'll dislike it, so it'd be nice to get everyone to chip in, just like it for me. That'll greatly help out the channel. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Guys, I'm trying not to modify this car right now, at least right now. So everybody's like, man, H-swap, all this, but I'm trying not to do crazy stuff right now because I want a daily driver that's not my CRV and that's not like boosted, because I do kind of daily the turbo car. I don't want nothing like that. I want a good, reliable car with AC and heat. We have a baby on the way. I gotta be more responsible right now. I just need a daily. There are gonna be a lot more crazy projects that we do, but for now, let's just try to keep this thing clean, like make a clean daily and a reliable daily. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. I will catch y'all in the next one. Remember, respect all videos. Peace out.